Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to delete a class in Google Classroom. Before we start, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers in my channel, especially my fellow Filipinos who are one of my main subscribers. Thank you very much for watching, for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. We are here in Google Classroom. In this example, I have 5 classes. And then, for example, we would like to delete Computer 1A class. So, in Google Classroom, you cannot delete a class not unless you first archive that particular class. So, in order to archive this computer, we click this triple dots here, and then select archive. Click the archive here. It will prompt us archiving a class, cause it will be archived for all participants. Archived classes can be modified by teachers or students unless they are restored. This class will be moved to your archived classes. Class files will remain in Google Drive. Select archive. Okay, so as you can see, from 5 classes, I have only 4 classes. So we go here in our main menu, go to archive classes, and then we have the class. That's the class computer 1, it is being archived. To delete, we go to 3 dots again, and then click delete. Now delete computer, you will no longer have access to any posts or comments that have been added to this class. Class files will remain in Google Drive. You can undo this action. You have two selections, cancel or delete. So I will delete. Click delete option. So that's it. No more archive class. So it is permanently removed and delete in our Google Classroom, particularly in our archive class. So that's very simple on how to delete a class in Google Classroom. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.